Dok, bigla po nagka-diarrhea ang 1-year-old ko. Sumakto po na tumutubo yung dalawa niyang ngipin. Normal po ba?
Hindi.
Walang kinalaman yung pagtubo ng ngipin dun sa diarrhea.
It's like this. Pag tumutubo kasi ang ipin ng bata, ang tendency is to bite on anything that comes to the mouth kasi nga masakit siya na makate, so kinakagat niya. And on the process of biting on anything,
Germs.
it gets germs.
Saka
Kaya,
bacteria.
yes, kaya ang tendency nagtatai sila. So, yung pag-ipin is not the exact cause of the diarrhea. Most likely po yun. Meron siyang nakain na contaminated, kaya yun po nagtatae.
So, ano lang
again,
gawin?
the treatment is fairly the same. If yung baby naman less than 6 times a day ang watery diarrhea, usually this can be treated at home. Baby is eating, walang lagnat, active. So really, still we start with ORS. We give mga zinc supplementation and probiotics. So it's the same. So check up with your pediatrician para mabigyan kayo ng prescription if gusto nyo po ring mabigyan ng instructions on diarrhea. Also watch our video on diarrhea. So yan po yung basic treatment ng mga viral gastroenteritis, mga less than 6 times a day, dumedede ang bata, kumakain, walang lagnat, active, so ORS. So dapat nabibigay yon. If you can watch our video, so ina-approximate namin how much to give. So at least kung ilang months siya, so mga 2 to 3 ounces of ORS can be given every after tatai sila. Continue breastfeeding if you are breastfeeding. If you are milk feeding, continue that. And then add zinc on the supplementation. Karaniwan yung mga less than 12 months old, we give zinc drops, 1 ml once a day for the next 2 weeks. And probiotics. So marami po yung mga probiotics. Karaniwan yan yung mga Bacillus reuteri, Bacillus clausi, Saccharomyces boulardii. So iba-ibang klase po ng mga
Probiotics.
probiotics.